majority of our information distribution was done via spreadsheet, WhatsApp, and there's no proper record of what's coming in and what's going out. After implementing FieldEx, there's proper information being recorded down, and we are able to dedicate the job much easier. My name is Brian. My main role is the after-sales specialist technician.
Hi, I'm Venu. I'm working as a technician at Lamarsa Coffee Machine Company. In the FieldEx app, the forms are very easy to use and to fill up. The customer feels that we are doing things in a professional manner.
We also have a proper description or information being noted down on each of the job that needs to be serviced or repaired, so that our technician will be able to look through the information on FieldEx and get a better idea on what's going on with the machine that they are working on as well. So it's easier for us to tell the customer what's going on with the machine and what happened, what needed to be replaced, what needed to repair, and so on and so forth.
We are just doing things inside our mobile by signing off everything inside it. Compared to the previous way, using FieldEx is more convenient to submit report. Everything is synced once we completed the job to the system. Using FieldEx, we are able to do at least 30% more jobs by just using the app, by filling up all the details.
So if you are a company that are looking to improve your operation and to scale up, I would definitely recommend FieldEx.